Exploring new design ideas is an important way to refine a design. And now, with the new branch and merge capability of SOLIDWORKS PDM, this task is a breeze. Regardless of its release state, parts, assemblies, or drawings can be branched, and their structure is recognized. The destination folder can be defined, as well as a prefix or suffix for the file name, and individual files can be included or excluded from the branch. The branched file is identical to its source. Here, two other branches have been created and refined. When you decide on the preferred design, it can be easily merged back. SOLIDWORKS PDM recognizes the source file and merges it as a new version, even if the source file was renamed or moved. When the assembly is opened, we can see that the refined design is in place. Now, with the new branch and merge tool, error-prone copy, change, and overwrite techniques are no longer needed.